Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain CSS selectors. CSS selectors are used to choose which elements to style. Styles can be applied to those elements. We have different CSS selectors. First one is element type selector. This is the most basic selector, a name for simply using an HTML tag. For example, I will take paragraph tag and wanna give color to this paragraph. For that, in style tag, I will take p element and will give color. Second is class selector. For example, I will take class named skill. I wanna give background color. To use class selector, type a dot followed by the class name and will give background color. Third one is ID selector. For example, I will take ID named bout. I wanna give background color. To use ID selector, type a hash followed by ID name and will give background color. Fourth one is sibling selector. We have two types of sibling selector. First one is adjacent selector, second one is general selector. Adjacent selector is used to select an element that is immediately following another element. For example, I will take h4 tag, below this I will take two paragraph tag. To use adjacent selector, use plus symbol and will give color. You can see it will give color to that paragraph which is immediately after h4 tag. Now, next one is general selector. For this, just replace plus symbol by negation symbol. You can see it will give color to all the paragraph after h4 tag. Now, fifth one is child selector. It selects all elements that are children of given element. For example, I will take div tag and within this div will give two paragraphs which are children of div tag. Within this div tag, I will take one section tag and within the section tag, I will give one more paragraph tag. This paragraph tag is not child but this is descendant. Now I wanna give color using child selector. For that, I will give parent, that is div, is greater than symbol, then child, that is p. You can see it will give color to only children of div tag. To give color to all the paragraph including descendant, we have descendant selector. Just remove the symbol. You can see it will give color to all the paragraph including descendant.